Very good. Once again, folks, that is Apollo, our umbrella person cockatoo, with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, folks, did you know Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo? Let's raise your hand. Sino gusto makita si Apollo sumaya? Ano ang taas kamay? Dito sa kabila. Sino gusto? Wala. Okay, ayun. Maraming pa. Oh, ito daw, be. How about Kuya Michael? Who wants to see Kuya Michael? Let's raise your hand. Taas kamay. Alam, may fans ka rin Kuya Michael, ha? Ibig sabihin niya, kayong dalawa ni Apollo nagsasaya. Okay na, Kuya Michael at Apollo. Are you ready? Okay na, Kuya Jun. Hit it. That is the moonwalk with famous by Michael Jackson. So, agras ka po eh. Pakita mo sa kanila kung gano'n galing mag moonwalk. Tama na po. Mahulog na sa table, boy. Alright, now guys, and this time, let's see his acting skill. Kung magaling itong umarte si Apollo, folks, pang-artistahin ko siya, guys. Para kung si Carbo Dalisay sa probinsyano. Alright, now, Apollo, what do we do if you see a predator? Anong gagawin? Kung may akila, may predator, anong gagawin po? Ano siya, guys? Ayun na siya, folks. Patay, good boy, Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in a while to fold the predator. So, magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, one more pa daw, Ben. Apollo yung akila po, andyan si Tas, anong gagawin? May akila! Ayan naman siya, guys! No! Grabe na talaga, Apollo. Palapakad po natin si Apollo, please. Pero wait, hindi pa tayo dyan nagtatapos. Kuya Michael, pwede ka bang interview sa Apollo? Just a quick interview lang, Kuya Michael. Apollo, interviewin kita, boy. Sumagot ka na maayos, ha? Alright, now Apollo, look at Kuya Michael. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba? Si Kuya Michael mo, Apollo. Is he good looking, Pogi? Wow. Sana all. Pogi, syempre, Pogi mo talaga si Kuya Michael. Folks, no? Okay, now. Syempre, hindi na ako magpapalay. How about me daw, Kuya Apollo? Look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba si Kuya mo, Apollo? Am I good looking? Kapapayos mo talaga, boy. Okay. Abot dito tayo sa ating mga bisita, kuya. Okay, babawi ko, Kuya Michael. Apollo. Okay, abot. Ito daw si Mama. Ayan ang kablang. Oh. Alright, now, Apollo, look at Mom. Look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Mama Apollo na sa front? Look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda? Wow. Maganda. Hindi ka. Dala-dala. Kilimig ko. Okay. Abot sa lalaki. Okay, sa lalaki tayo. Wait na. Wait sa lalaki. Ito na lang si Sir na nakawain ito. Okay, now Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir or si Kuya? Pogi? Oh, wow! Sana all pogi. Okay, pero ba't ganun, Kuya Michael, pagdating sa akin, hindi? Ano nangyari dyan? Kayo talaga. Okay, one more time na lang, Darby. Please, boy, Apollo, sige na, look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Hello? Last na lang kayo, one more time. Sige na, good, please. Okay, folks, huwag na lang natin pilitin sa Apollo. Guys, palakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo. So, Kuya Michael, kayo talaga.